Hey guys, Lakeisha McKinnon here with Ryze. Received my kit earlier today. Gonna go ahead and open it up. We just got back not too long ago. Tuesday is our movie night. We did see The Strangers Chapter 2. And I will just leave my comments for when we do our movie review on our movie review page. Now, let's see. Packing slip. We have this. We have this. We have this. We have 3 boxes. And we have our Ignite bundle. So, look how cute that is. Okay, so let's see what this is first because it's already partially open. Okay, this is the tumbler. And so, towel pan, cup, Ryze cup. Okay, so let's take a look at this. That is cute, and we have a straw to go with it. So we'll put that over here. Then we have this box. Let's see what's in it. Oh, and it has my name, Lakeisha, without the H. So sweet. Ryze Party, welcome to the party. Ready to get started? Scan this code to jump into our boot camp. We're so glad you joined us. Your launch is the official start of your Ryze journey, and it's one you'll never forget. We'll be cheering for you the entire way, celebrating with every big or small, celebrating every win, big or small. Best of luck on your launch. It's your moment to shine. Love the Ryze Party team. Look how cute that is. That is so cute, and I am a card person. Love, love, love that. And, okay, so we have the gemstone cut guide. We have the lifetime sales information. We have our spoon, the holes, super cute. Now the fizz is going away, so we won't be using this too much longer. We have a necklace. Okay. We have a wrap. Oh, we have a pen, Ryze Party pen. We have our ring cone. We have a ink pen. Then, okay, this is, let's see, the travel pouch. Okay, cute. Then this is the towel. No doubt, this is the towel. Oh, Ryze Party. A sparkle in every surprise. Super cute. Alright, we're gonna put this down here because me and my phone have storage problems, so we gotta carry this up. Alright, a message from our owners. Welcome to the Ryze Tribe. We are beyond thrilled to be on this exciting journey with you. Founded by Teresa, Matthew, and myself, Ryze is a consultant-focused company with the mission to reinvent this industry because for us it's personal. As prior consultants ourselves, We know how important a company's culture and mission is for the consultant's overall experience. With our mission and your hard work and determination, the opportunity at Ryze are endless, the opportunities. Our foundation was intentionally built to give consultants a platform that gets them up for success. Sets them up for success. On behalf of the entire corporate team, we would like to officially welcome you to Ryze. Keep rising. Cindy Lee, the CEO, and Teresa, President, Matthew, the Chief Operating Officer. Thank you guys. That's so sweet. Never have I saw that before, but that is so sweet. Let's open this up. Okay, and these are the fizzes, size 9. So we have size 9, 7, 6, 5, 8, 10, 11, and 12. And it just says, "Hey, Rockstar" at the bottom. So there we have it. This is my kit. Because of the late hour, I don't know why my phone keeps moving. We will be back hopefully tomorrow, definitely on Thursday, but we're going to try to go live every day to get us back out there. But make sure that you like our page on Facebook and follow me on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Take care. Have a good evening.